Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss the solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 8th of October. So we'll start from class 7th and the subject is physics. So let us start. First question is, a car travels a 250 meter distance with a constant velocity of 18 km per hour towards the north. The velocity of car after 40 seconds starting from the west will be. As we can see, the answer is in meter per second. So first of all, we will convert this 18 km per hour into meter per second. As we know that to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply it 5 upon 18. So the velocity in meter per second becomes 5 meter per second. So as in this question it is given the car is moving with a constant velocity, that means the velocity of car is not changing. So velocity after 40 seconds will be also 5 meter per second. So correct answer is option A. Next question is, a racing car moves on a circular track of radius 7 meter. That means it is given there is a circular track whose radius r is equals to 7 meters. It is given. The distance and displacement, we have to calculate first of all distance and then displacement traveled by the car after 1.5 revolution will be respectively. 1.5 means the car will start, let's say from it will start from point A, and then in one complete round it reaches again to point A, and then after it covers half revolution, that means it reaches to point B. So initial point is A and final point is B. In this process, the distance traveled in one round is given by 2 pi r, and in half round it is given by pi into r. So total distance will be equal to 3 pi into r, which can be calculated 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius is 7. 7 and 7 are cancelled. So the distance traveled will be 66 meters. As we can say in option A it is given 66 meters. About displacement, we know that displacement is total distance between initial and final point. So we can see initial point is A and final point is B, which is equals to diameter, and we know that diameter is double of radius. So 14 meter will be displacement. Correct answer is option A. Next question number 3. In question number 3, it is asked, as we go to the higher altitudes, the atmospheric pressure decreases, then the boiling point of liquids. So we know that for liquids, if pressure is, as we go to the higher altitude, then the pressure decreases, due to which the boiling point also decreases. The correct answer is option B. Question number 4. In question number 4, it is asked that at what temperature reading the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are equal. So to converting these values into each other, we have a formula which is given by C divided by 100, which is equals to F minus 32 divided by 180. Okay, in question it is given that C is equals to F. So we can write it C upon 10 equals to F. Okay, we will place F, and in place of F we will write C minus 32 divided by 18. Okay, by putting these values here, we have to find the value of C and we will get the answer which is equals to minus 40. So the correct answer is option C. Next question number 5. In question number 5, it is asked which of the following statements is oblique are true or false. We have to check which are true and which are false statement. Number 1, velocity can be positive, negative and 0. As we know that velocity is a vector quantity, so it can be positive, negative or 0. So statement first is true. Speed is neither 0 nor negative for a moving body. We can say here, for a moving body, speed cannot be 0 or negative. So speed is neither 0 nor negative for a moving body. It is also a true statement. The statement number 3, acceleration in uniform circular motion is 0. This is a false statement, because in circular motion, at each instant of time, at each position, the direction of moving object changes. So when the direction changes, that means velocity is changing, and when velocity is changing, then acceleration cannot be 0. So it is a false statement. So the correct code for the answer will be here true, true and false, which is option number D. It is a correct answer. Okay. Next question. Next question is question number 6. In question number 6, we have to match the column 1 with the column 2. So we can see here the land breeze. We know that the land breeze are due to convection. So for P, it is code 2 correct. Heat from sun to earth reaches to earth in form of radiation. So for Q, the correct code is 3. Light colored clothes we wear in summer. Okay, so the correct code for R is 1. So the answer will be 2, 3, 1. And we can see here option D is 2, 3, 1. So it is a correct answer. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, a case is given here and we have a graph also here between velocity and time. Okay, so according to this velocity time graph, the bus is in which condition we have to answer this. So we can see here, we can see the velocity, that means height of graph is not changing with time. That means velocity of graph, velocity of object is constant. That means the acceleration value is 0. So we can say according to VT graph, the bus is moving with 0 acceleration. So correct answer will be option B. So we have completed the solution of physics subject for class 7. For more information and notifications regarding the result or prizes of Olympiad, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss about the chemistry portion of class 7th. Yes, the question is, which fiber is known as the golden fiber? Option A is cotton, option B is wool, option C is jute, and option D is silk. The option C is the right answer. Jute is known as the golden fiber. Why the jute is known as the golden fiber? Because the color of the jute fiber is yellow, or we can say golden color is the color of jute, and it is also profitable for the economic purpose also. So the jute is known as the golden fiber. Now the next question is, the scientific name of the mulberry silk moth is? First is Bombyx mori, second is Bombyx silky, third is Bombyx beatei, and fourth option is Bombyx lora. So the option A, Bombyx mori, is the right option of this question. Means the Bombyx mori is the scientific name of the mulberry silk. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, from which of the following wool fiber is not obtained? Okay, so let's see the options. First option is goat, second is llama, third is alpaca, and the fourth option is silk moth. Okay, now we read the question again. Question is, from which of the following wool fiber is not obtained? Means from which we can't able to obtain wool. So let's see the option C, silk moth. We know that the silk moth produces silk. So from the silk moth we can't able to obtain wool, and the all remaining three options give us wool. Okay, now the next question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false? So let's see the first option. Antacids neutralize the bases that are present in stomach. This is completely a wrong statement, because we know that antacids means the substance which react against the acids. Means antacids neutralizes the acids that are present in the stomach, not the bases. So the statement first is the false statement. Now the second is, lemon juices turns methyl orange in red. Methyl orange is an indicator. Okay, so when we dissolve any base in the methyl orange, then it gives a yellow color, light yellow color. And when we dissolve any acid in the methyl orange, then it gives red color. So we can see that in the statement, lemon juice turns methyl orange into red. And we know that in the lemon, there is a acid is present, which is known as the organic acid. So if lemon juice turns methyl orange into red color, it means it is a true statement. Now, the next is organic acids are also known as strong acid. This statement is also completely false statement, because we know that there are two types of the acids are present. First is organic acid and second is inorganic acids. Organic acids are weak acids and inorganic acids, or we can say the mineral acids, are stronger acids than organic acids like H2SO4, HNO3, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So in the third statement, we can see that organic acids are also known as a strong acid. No, organic acids are not a strong acid. Organic acids are weak acid. So this statement is also a false statement. So the option false, true, false. The option D is the right option. Option D is the right option. We can say that false, true and false. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay. The P is slag lime. The formula of the slag lime is CaOH whole twice. Means the calcium hydroxide is known as the slag lime, and this is used in the whitewashing. So the P is matched with the third option. Now the second is sodium chloride. We know that NaCl is known as the sodium chloride and NaCl is also known as the common salt. So Q matched with the first option. Now the next is baking soda. Baking soda. What is the formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. This is the formula of baking soda. The baking soda is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So we can say that R is matched with the second option. So P matched with the third, Q with the first and R with second. So option C is the right option. Okay. Now let's see the next question. In our stomach, hydrochloric acid helps in digestion, but excess of acid in the stomach causes acidity and indigestion. It can be treated by neutralizing the acid with a mild base. These bases are called antacids. Milk of magnesia is an antacid which contain a mild base. So now the question is, which of the following substance is used to treatment of acidity and indigestion? Okay, from the this paragraph we can observe that for the antacids or for the treatment of acidity or indigestion, we use antacids, and that antacids are milk of magnesia. Like these antacids are mild bases. So the first option is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, formula of the magnesium hydroxide is MgOH whole twice. Magnesium hydroxide is a weak base and the magnesium hydroxide is also known as the milk of magnesia. Second option is the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base. Third is calcium oxide It is not a base. And fourth is the zinc carbonate. It is also not a base. So option A is the right option, magnesium hydroxide, which is also known as milk of magnesia. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th biology portion. Let's start. First question. In biology, a relation between two organisms in which one organism is benefited and the other is usually harmed is called. It's mean one organism A is benefited and another is harmed. In this case, according to option, mutualism, commensalism, parasitism and none of these. Our right answer is parasitism. In parasitism, like leech sucking the blood from host, that is positive response, and the host get negative. This case is called parasitism. The right answer is parasitism, option C. Next, which of the following is not an adaptive feature in polar bear? Option 1, white fur. Second, strong sense of smell. Third, long curved and sharp claw. And last one is long tail. Our right answer is long tail, because polar bear not have long tail. So this adaptive feature is not related to polar bear. Next question. Hydrochloric acid HCl secreted by stomach does not participate in. Option 1, killing bacteria which may enter the stomach. That is right. Making medium in the stomach is acidic. That is also right. Breaking up fat into fatty acid. Fatty acid. This is response of bile juice. So, our right answer B and C. But in question does not participate. So, according to question, our right answer is option C, breaking up fat into fatty acid. Next question. Which of the following is the correct sequence of human nutrition? Option first, ingestion, egestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. That is wrong. Egestion, ingestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. That is wrong. Digestion. First of all, digestion. That is wrong. Last one is ingestion, intake. Digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. That is correct answer according to question. Next, which of the following statements true or false? Option first, carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis to take place. Right, bilkul right. CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. Next option, the product of photosynthesis is not simple sugar. Not, but simple sugar C6H12O6 formed in this condition. So, that is wrong. Photosynthesis occur in the green leaves of plant. That is right. So, according to question, true, false, true. In options, true, true, not, true, false, true. Option B is right option. True, false and true. Next question. Match the column first and second. Column first. Incisor, cracking teeth, canine, cutting teeth, premolar, tearing teeth. Match. Incisor, cutting teeth. Next one is canine, tearing teeth. And last one is premolar, cracking teeth, also called chewing teeth. According to question, match P second, Q third, and R first. Second, third, first. Second, third, first. Option A is the right answer according to question. Next, based on the temperature, the earth is divided into 3 zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and freeze zone. The tropical and torrid zone lie near the equator. Choose the correct option for the given figure. According to diagram, R, S, P, Q. R. R is the equator. R is the equator in 3 option. Next one is S. S is the torrid zone. S in 2 option. P. P is the temperate zone. Temperate zone P. That is wrong. That is wrong. In this case, equator not wrong. This option is right answer. P. P is temperate zone. Q is frigid zone. R equator line. And S is torrid zone. So, according to this paragraph and diagram, our right answer is option D. This is all about Matrix Olympiad biology portion for class 7. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let's continue the discussion of MOF paper which was held on 8th October 2023. And I am here to discuss the 4th part of this paper, that is of mathematics, the most easiest subject. Now, before going forward, I want to remind you that please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any kind of notification related to dates, result, prizes. जो भी तरह की नोटिफिकेशन आएंगी वो सारे इसी चैनल पर आपको मिलेंगी. तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. Now let's begin the solution of the paper. Now in this 21st question, it is said that add the additive inverse of minus 12 plus 16 minus 42 divided by 3 of 7 to the product of minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here we have to add the additive inverse of this expression to the product of the given numbers. Now, let's solve the expression, that is minus 12 plus 16 minus 42 divided by 3 of 7. So, here according to the BODMAS rule, we have to first solve O here, that is off. So, here we get 3 multiplied by 7, 21. After off, we are going to solve division part. 42 divided by 21 is 2. Now, minus 12 plus 16 minus 2 is 14. Minus 12 plus 14, we get 2. Now, here the answer of this expression is positive 2. But the additive inverse of 2 is negative 2. So, here we get additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Now, we have to find out the product of minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is positive 6. Positive 6 multiplied by negative 4 will give us negative 24. So, here the product is negative 24. Now, we have to add. According to question, we have to add the additive inverse of the expression, that is minus 2 plus minus 24. Now here negative 2 plus minus is minus 24. So here we get negative 26. So the answer is negative 26. Here we can check the option, and here option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question. That is based on the number line. We have to find out the value of x minus y minus z. So here in this question, we have to find out the value of x, y and z first. So here let's check the number line and find out the values. So here, after the observation of the positive side, we get that z will get number 6, y will get on the negative side, we get the value of y, that is negative 3, and the value of x will be minus 12. So after the observation, we get these values. Now here let's put the value x minus y minus z. Putting the values in the variable, we get negative 12, negative 3, negative 6. Let's solve it. Minus 12, minus plus 3 minus 6. So here minus 12 minus 3 and we get negative 15. So let's check the options. Here option B is negative 15. So B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Now here in this 23rd question, we have if x is the smallest 5-digit number formed by all the digits. These are the digits. We have to form the smallest 5-digit number. And to represent the smallest number, we have a variable x. So let's write down the smallest 5-digit number, that is equal to x. It is already given in the question. So the value of x is 20357. So our 5-digit smallest number which is going to be represented by x, we get 20,357. Now let's continue the question. What next it says? And y is the greatest 5-digit number formed by all the digits 05791, using each digit only once. We have to use only once all this digit. Let's form greatest 5-digit number. Represented by y, that is 97510. So here the greatest 5-digit number is 97,510. Now according to question, what we have to do? We have to subtract smallest 5-digit number from the greatest 5-digit number. So here y minus x will be 97,510 minus 20,357. So here after subtraction we get 77,153. So here we can observe that option D is the correct answer. So I hope you understand this question. Now let's begin with the next question. Now here the next question is, Gopal has a bag that contains 3 red, 1 blue, 6 green, 2 yellow marbles. So here Gopal is having few colors marble that are red, green, blue and yellow. So here 3 red are there, 1 blue, 6 green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 yellow marbles. Now, what fractional part of the bag of marbles is red? We have to find the fractional part. So here, let's calculate how many marbles are there in a bag. So the total marbles in a bag are 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So total number of marbles present in the bag was 12. Now we have to find out the number of red marbles. So here red marbles are 3. So according to the question, we have to write down the fractional part of the bag of marble is red. Now here, for the fractional part, we have to write the number of marbles of red on the numerator side and the total number of marbles in the denominator side. So here red marbles are 3 and total number of marbles we have that are 12. So after simplifying it, we get 1 upon 4. So the answer will be 1 upon 4. Here option C is the correct answer. Now moving forward to the next question, we have the next question is, what is the missing value in the box? We have to find out the missing value. So here we have to first solve the given equation. This is 6, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1.2 equal to 1.2 plus 0.9 plus 1.2 plus 1.2 multiplied by the unknown number. So here let's solve the 6, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1.2. We get 8.1. After solving this, 1.2 plus 0.9 plus 1.2. We get 3.3 plus 1.2 multiplied by the unknown number. Now here 8.1 minus 3.3. We are transposing this 3.3 to the left hand side. Now we get 1.2 multiplied by the unknown number. After subtracting, we get 4.8 and 1 point divided by 1.2. After cancellation, we get after the cancellation, we get answer 4. So here option A is the correct answer. Next question. Next question is, out of the given fractions 5 upon 7, 7 upon 13, 4 upon 7, 4 upon 15 and 9 upon 14, which is the third highest? हमें third highest fraction find out करना है. So we have to find out the third highest fraction out of these given fractions. अब कैसे find out करेंगे? Let's begin with the first fraction, 5 upon 7. We are converting 5 upon 7 in the decimal form. So the answer is 0.71. Next is 7 upon 13. That is 0.53. Next, 4 upon 0.57. Next one is 4 upon 15. That is 0.266. Now these are the decimal form of the given fractions. Now let's arrange in the descending order. Here the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the fifth one. Now we have to find out the third highest. So according to the observation, we will get this is the third highest fraction. So, here option C is the correct answer. Now, the next 27th question is, the mean of the ages of 20 students is 10 years. Mean of 20 students, it means total number of students we have is 20. और उसका mean कितना है? 10 years. 5 students with the mean age of 15 years leave the class. मतलब जो 5 students हैं जिनका mean 15 है, उन लोगों ने क्या किया? They have left out. Mean of the ages the remaining students will be. Now we have to find out the mean. So here formula of mean is equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observations. So, we have the formula. Now, we have to put the values to find out the remaining part. So, here mean of 20 student will be total number of observation is 20, and for 20 student we have a mean that is 10 year, m by 10. So, sum of 20 students will be multiplied by 10. So, here we get sum of 20 students is equal to 200. Now, let's find out the mean of 5 students. Now, let's find out the sum of 5 students with the mean 15 years. Multiplied by 5 is equal to sum of 5 students, that is 75. So here 200 is the total sum of 20 students and 75 is the sum of 5 students. Now here we have to find out the mean of the ages the remaining students will have. So here to find out the remaining, we have to first calculate the total number of students we have. Total number of students will be now 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. So, we have total number of students that is 15. Now, total sum of 15 students will be 200 minus 75, that is equal to 125. So here to find out the mean, we have now the sum of 15 students. We have total number of students and the sum of these 15 students. So let's calculate. Mean is equal to 125 upon 15. That is equal to 8.33. So the correct answer will be option D. So here we get D, the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. The next question is the most simplest one. From the following table, find the value of P, Q and R. So here from this table, we have to observe the value of P, Q and R. So here let's begin with the first variable, that is R. Telemarks is 2, so the value of R is 2 here. Value of P will be 3, 1, 2, 3 and Q is equal to 1. So here we have to check in which option these values are there. So P will be 3. Here we get 3, but Q is here 2. So this option is not correct. This is also not. And here we get P 3, Q 1 and R is equal to 2. So the correct answer will be D. Now let's begin with the next question. That is question number 29. The mean, median and mode of 4 number is 8. हमारे पास 4 numbers है, उनका mean, mode, median. तीनों क्या है? 8. The smallest number is 7. और जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है वो क्या है हमारे पास? 7. The numbers are, we have to find out the numbers. First number is 7. सबसे smallest number given है हमें. Next will be 8. 8. Why? Because mean, median, mode ये तीनों क्या हैं? 8 है हमारे. तो mode और median आपको पता है क्या होता है? Mode is the highest frequency and median क्या होता है? The center of the number. Now here the fourth number is unknown to us. So let's take x as a fourth number. Now we have to find out the mean. With the help of this, we will get our fourth number. So the formula of mean is sum of all observation upon total number of observation. Let's put the value. Mean is 8. Total number of observation कितनी है हमारे पास? 4. और sum of observation क्या है? 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus x. So let's find out the solution. So here we get 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus x upon 4 equal to 8. So 4 will transpose to right hand side and we get 8 multiplied by 4 on the right hand side. Here we get 7 plus 8 plus 8 is 23 plus x equal to 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. X is equal to 32 minus 23. Here value of x will be 9. So our last number, or we can say that the unknown number will be 9. So we get our 4 numbers, that is 7, 8, 8 and 9. Let's check the solution. Here we get option C, that is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 30. So here in this question 30, we have 4 is added to a number and the sum is multiplied by 5. हमने 4 को ऐड करा है किसी नंबर में और वो जो सम है वो किससे मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है? 5 से. If 20 is subtracted from the product and the difference is divided by 8, the result is equal to 10. Find the number. We have to find out the number. So to find out the number, let's take a number x. We assume that the number is x. So we have the number x. Now according to the question, let's find out the number. So here 4 is added to a number we have x and we added 4 in it. X plus 4 and the sum is multiplied by 5. अब इसको कर देंगे multiply by 5. If 20 is subtracted from the product, अब इस product में से क्या minus हो रहा है? Minus 20. And the difference is divided by 8. अब इसका पूरा difference divide हो रहा है 8 से. The result is equal to 10. Result क्या है? Equal to 10. बन गई हमारी equation. Let's solve it. 5x plus 20 minus 20 divide by 8 equal to 10. So here 20 से 20 cancel. Plus 20 minus 20 is 0. 5x equal to 10 multiplied by 8. Here x is equal to 10 multiplied by 8 divided by 5. After doing simplest form, we get 2 multiplied by 8, get 16. So the value of x is 16. Option A is the correct answer. Let's solve next question. Next question is, solve x minus 2x minus 3x minus 4 upon 7 equal to 4x minus 27 upon 3 minus 3. Let's solve it. X minus 2x minus 3x minus 4 upon 7 . Let's take the LCM and solve the bracket first. So here we get x equal to 6. So option A is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 32. In this, if C is equal to x minus A upon x minus B, then the value of x is. We have to find out the value of x. Now let's solve it. Let's do the cross multiplication here. X term will be on the left hand side and the remaining will be on the right hand side. Taking x common. Here the value of x will be CB minus A upon C minus 1. So we get the value of x here. Now let's check CB minus A upon C minus 1. So here C minus 1 is in the A option only. BC minus A. The same value is here. So option A is the correct answer. So let's begin with the next question. Now the next question is, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 6 is 1098. Find the numbers. We are having 3 consecutive multiples of 6. So let's take first number 6x. Next number will be 6x plus 6. And the third number will be 6x plus 12. So these are the three consecutive numbers which are multiples of 6. Now let's solve it. 6x plus 6x plus 6 plus 6x plus 12 is equal to 1098. Here we get 18x plus 18 equal to 1098. So 18x is equal to 1098 minus 18. So here we get 1080. X is equal to 108. So the value of x is equal to 60. Let's find out the three numbers. The first number is 6x, that is 6 multiplied by 60 will give us 360. So first number is 360. Here we have option A, C and D with first number 360. Let's find out the second number, 6x plus x. The number will be 366. Let's check 366. We have in option C and in option D. Let's find out the next number, 6x plus 12, that is equal to 372. So here the next number is 372. So we got the three numbers, that is 360, 366 and 372 in option number C. So option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 34, and this question is related to the lines and angles chapter. So, if in the given figure ES is parallel to CD, ES line hai hamari and that is parallel to line CD, then angle ABC is equal to ABC. This angle we have to find it out. Now let's find out the angle. Here this line is transversal to the parallel lines. So 2x plus 35. 2x plus 35 is equal to 5x minus 25 because they are alternate exterior angle. Okay? Now 2x minus 5x equal to minus 25 minus 35. Here negative 3x equal to minus 60. X is equal to 60 upon 3 will give us 20. So the value of x is equal to 20. Let's begin with the next part. Now here we get the value of x. Ab kya karenge? We will put the value of x in this part. So here we get 5 multiplied by 20 minus 25. So 100 minus 25 is 75 degree. So this angle is 75 degree. Now this is a straight line. 180 में से हम जब 75 को minus करेंगे, so here we will get 105. Here we get 105. So here also we will get angle 105 because these are the corresponding angles. So here option B is the correct answer. So I hope you understood question number 34. Now let's begin with the next question. Now the chapter is same, lines and angles. Up same thing we have to do in the next part, and let's check which kind of thing we have to use to solve this question. In the given figure, PQR is a transversal. अब बोला है PQR, ये वाली जो लाइन है आपकी, this is a transversal line. So QT parallel to RU parallel to SV, ये वाली जो लाइन है, this is parallel. So find the value of X and Y. X की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, Y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. बट याद रखना, अगर आपको X और Y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, पैरेलल लाइन वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो अच्छे से क्लियर होना चाहिए. सो हियर लेट्स चेक एंगल X की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी. अगर हम दो पैरेलल लाइंस लेते हैं UR and VS, so here angle X is corresponding to angle 60. तो X की वैल्यू तो क्लियर हो गई, X की वैल्यू आ गई 60 डिग्री. अब अगर X की वैल्यू 60 है तो यहाँ पे जो एंगल होगा वो भी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल PQT that is equal to 60. Now it is easy to find out the value of Y. क्योंकि 180 में से अगर हम 60 को माइनस करेंगे so we will get the value of Y. So here we are going to subtract 60 from 180 degree. तो हमें क्या मिला? We will get 120 degree. So the value of Y is 120. So here the value of X is 60 degree and the value of Y is 120 degree. Let's check the option. Here option A is the correct answer. Question number 36 is the adjacent angle of a rhombus are 2x minus 35 degree and x plus 5 degree. Find the value of x. Adjacent angle की बात हो रही है, तो the sum of adjacent angle in rhombus is equal to 180 degree. तो हमारे पास एंगल है 2x minus 35 degree plus x plus 5 equal to 180 degree. अब इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Then let's find out the value of x. So 2x plus x is 3x minus 35 plus 5 is negative 30 equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 plus 30. X is equal to 210 upon 3. लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कर देंगे तो हमें मिलेगा आंसर 70 डिग्री. सो x इज इक्वल टू 70 degree. Here option A is the correct answer. Now in this 37th question, in the given diagram POR and QOS, POR यानी ये वाला एंगल and QOS means QOS, ये वाला एंगल are straight lines. तो ये क्या है? हमारे straight lines हैं. Find the value of x plus y. We have to find out the value of x plus y. Before finding out the value of x plus y, we have to find out the value of x and y. So let's find out the value of x first. QOS हमारी लाइन स्ट्रेट है. लेट्स टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. वी गेट 30 प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो एंगल कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री. सो हियर 180 डिग्री. 30 प्लस 2x इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. 2x is equal to 180 minus 30. 2x is equal to 150. X is equal to 75. So we got the value of x, that is equal to 75. Now let's find out the value of y. This is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. Now to find out the value of y, we are having 30 equal to 3y because the two angles are vertically opposite to each other. So 30 divided by 3 is equal to y. The value of y is 10. Now we have to find out x plus y. X plus y is 75 plus 10, that is equal to 85, and we have option A here, that is 85. So A is the correct answer. Let's find out the next question, that is 38. So here in the given figure, BA is parallel to CF, that is parallel to DE. These three lines are parallel to each other. BCE is a straight line. मतलब ये क्या है हमारा 180 degree straight line है, तो angle DCE is a right angle. DCE ये हमारा हो गया 90 degree का, क्योंकि right angle already given है question में. Find angle BCF. BCF कौन सा एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? ये वाला. तीन लाइंस हमें पैरेलल दी हुई हैं एक दूसरे के. एक एंगल हमारे पास 90 डिग्री का है, एक एंगल हमारे पास 61 डिग्री का है. नाउ हियर इन दिस ट्राइंगल वी आर हैविंग टू एंगल्स. दो एंगल्स हमारे पास ऑलरेडी हैं, तो ये थर्ड एंगल निकालना हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी हो जाएगा. तो जब हम इसको फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी का यूज में लेंगे, दैट इज 61 प्लस 90 प्लस, अब हमें एंगल पता नहीं है तो लेट इट बी x इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी सेज दैट द सम ऑफ द थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. 61 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 90. तो 61 प्लस x कितना हो गया 90. 90 में से हम माइनस कर देंगे 61 को. सो आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दिस वी विल गेट 29. सो हियर थर्ड एंगल इज 29 डिग्री. तो ये 29 है, तो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं ये. तो ये जो हमारा FCE है, दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 29 डिग्री. अब ये 29 है, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म कर रहा है, तो इट इज वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट. 180 माइनस 29, व्हाट वी विल गेट? वी विल गेट 151 डिग्री. सो हियर आउट ऑफ द फोर ऑप्शन वी विल हैव ऑप्शन C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question, that is 39. So 39 question states that which of the following is not a right angle triangle? कौन सा वाला triangle right angle नहीं है? To find out this, we have the property that is square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी जस्टिफाई कर दी, इट मीन्स दैट इज अ राइट एंगल. अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी जस्टिफाई नहीं करी तो फिर वो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल नहीं है. सो आउट ऑफ दीज फोर ट्राइंगल्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वन ट्राइंगल दैट इज नॉट अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. पहला ऑप्शन है 4 5 3. प्रॉपर्टी में पुट करते हैं. लेट्स चेक. जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होगा इन तीन नंबर्स में से दैट इज द हाइपोटेनस. तो 5 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 का स्क्वायर. 5 स्क्वायर इज 25 इक्वल टू 16 प्लस 9, तो 25 इज इक्वल टू 25. तो ये तो हमारा राइट एंगल है. लेट्स बिगिन विद द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. यहां देखते हैं 17 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 15 का स्क्वायर प्लस 8 का स्क्वायर. सो 17 स्क्वायर इज 289, 15 स्क्वायर इज 225 प्लस 64. सो ये भी हमारा दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व ऑप्शन C. So here we have 6 square is equal to 5 square plus 4 square. So it is 36 equal to 25 plus 16. So we will get here 41, which is not equal to 36. So yes, we got the answer. Option C is not a right angle triangle because it is not justifying our property. Still, D option भी एक बार solve करके check कर लेते हैं whether it is a right angle or not. Square of 10 is equal to square of 8 plus square of 6. So square of 10 is 100, square of 8 is 64 plus 36. So here we get 100 is equal to 100. It means A, B, D are the right angle triangle, but C is not a right angle triangle. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Here, question number 40. Question number 40 is, one side of a triangle is produced and the exterior angle so formed is 140. एक ट्राइंगल है जिसमें एक साइड को एक्सटेंड करा गया है और एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म हुआ है, दैट इज 140. If the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5. Let's make a triangle. एक ट्राइंगल ले लेते हैं, नेम इट एज ABC, और इस ट्राइंगल में एक साइड को एक्सटेंड कर दिया है जो एंगल बना रही है 140 डिग्री. जो दो अपोजिट साइड है उसकी, इट मीन्स एंगल A एंड एंगल B आर इन द रेशियो ऑफ 2:5. तो एंगल हमें नहीं पता, लेट इट बी 2x एंड द नेक्स्ट एंगल बी 5x. तो दो अपोजिट साइड्स हो गई हमारे पास. देन फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ ईच एंगल ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि ट्राइंगल के जो 3 एंगल्स हैं उनका मेजरमेंट क्या है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स फाइंड आउट एंगल 2x एंड 5x. अब एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी का यूज में लेंगे. एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी कहती है 2x प्लस 5x इक्वल टू 140. मतलब एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या है, सम ऑफ 2 अपोजिट exterior angles. So here we get 7x equal to 140. X will give us 20 degree. So अगर x की वैल्यू 20 है तो हमारे पास a आ गया है 2 multiply by 20, that is equal to 40. Here 5 multiply by 20 we will get 100. और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी हमें पता है, तीनों एंगल्स का सम कितना होना चाहिए, 180 डिग्री. So here 100 plus 40 is equal to 140. तो 100 plus 40, एक एंगल हमें नहीं पता, let it be x, और तीनों एंगल का सम कितना होना चाहिए, 180. तो फटाफट से इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. x is equal to 180 minus 140. So the third angle will be 40 degree. तो तीनों एंगल्स हमारे पास आ गए हैं जिसमें से 2 एंगल्स 40 डिग्री के हैं और एक एंगल हमारा 100 डिग्री का है. लेट्स चेक द ऑप्शन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन वी हैव ऑप्शन सी द करेक्ट आंसर. हियर ऑप्शन सी इज 40, 100 and 40. So let's begin with the next question, 41. Now in question number 41 we are having 3 statements. 3 statements हैं, आपको बताना है कौन सी ट्रू है कौन सी फॉल्स है. Right. So let's start with the first statement of this question. Division by 0 is not defined. Absolutely right. किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से डिवाइड करोगे, let the number be a. a को अगर मैं 0 से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ तो it will give me the answer not defined. So this is absolutely true. Next statement की बात करते हैं. -3 is greater than 0. 0 से -3 क्या ग्रेटर है? नहीं है. कोई भी नेगेटिव नंबर 0 से ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकता. तो क्या होगा? इट इज फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट है 0 is an integer. Yes, 0 is an integer. 0 एक इंटीजर है. तो ये क्या हो गया? ट्रू. We have the option true, false, true. So here option A is the correct आंसर. तो अब हम आ गए हैं 42 क्वेश्चन पे. Here 42 question is again true false question. So here again we have 3 statements. We have to check which statement is true and which statement is false. Let's begin with the first statement of this question. 2 adjacent angles are said to form linear pair of angles if their common arms are two opposite rays. अगर आपके पास दो adjacent angles हैं तो क्या करेंगे, उनको कह सकते हैं हम to form linear pair of angles अगर उनकी non common arms opposite rays हैं. Yes, this statement is true. Adjacent angle बोल सकते हैं हम उसको. Now the next statement is when a transversal cut two parallel lines. अगर एक transversal दो parallel lines को cut कर रही है, then alternate interior angles are not equal. तो alternate interior angles equal नहीं होंगे. So this statement is false. जब भी transversal line दो parallel lines को cut करती है, we have alternate interior angles equal. So this statement will be false. So first statement true हो गई है, second statement false. Now the next. Two lines are parallel if alternate interior angles add up to 180 degree. अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल हैं तो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. तो ये हमेशा पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. समटाइम इट हैपन, समटाइम नॉट. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. सो the question, so according to question, option A is the correct answer. That is true, false, false. Now let's begin with the next question, that is question number 43. Question 43 कहता है which of the following statement is are true, false? Same, true, false बताना है. तीन statement given है. First statement पढ़ते हैं और फटाफट से बता देते हैं वो true है या false है. The first question is the sum of any two side of the triangle is greater than the third side. ये कहता है कि अगर दो साइड का सम करते हैं हम तो जो थर्ड साइड है उससे वो ग्रेटर होता है. It is absolutely correct. So this is true. The next is if any side of a triangle is produced then the exterior angle so formed is not equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. This is also a property and this property is false. जो इसने कहा है वो false है. इसने क्या बोला है, if any side of a triangle, ट्राइंगल की कोई भी साइड आप प्रोड्यूस कर दो जिससे कि एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल बनता है, इज नॉट इक्वल टू, ये कहता है कि वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल नहीं होगा. किसके नहीं होगा इक्वल? इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल के इक्वल नहीं होगा. जबकि प्रॉपर्टी कहती है कि जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमारा फॉर्म होता है ट्राइंगल की किसी भी साइड को प्रोड्यूस करने से, वो एंगल एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो है वो अंदर के ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल के सम के इक्वल होता है. तो जो स्टेटमेंट बोली गई है नॉट इक्वल टू, वो फॉल्स है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है अ मीडियन ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग अ वर्टेक्स टू द सेंट्रोइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. मीडियन है ट्राइंगल के अंदर और वो क्या है, इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग अ वर्टेक्स. वो लाइन सेगमेंट है जो ज्वाइन कर रही है वर्टेक्स को टू द सेंट्रोइड. अब ये कह रहा है कि सेंट्रोइड पे ज्वाइन करती है ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, जबकि सेंट्रोइड क्या होता है, सेंटर होता है जहां पर तीनों मीडियंस मीट करती हैं. तो दिस इज द सेंटरॉइड. अब क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन कहता है द मीडियन ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. जो मीडियन होती है वो क्या होती है, एक लाइन सेगमेंट होती है जो कि ज्वाइन करती है वर्टेक्स को टू द सेंट्रोइड ऑफ द सर्कल. सो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वी हैव ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दैट इज ट्रू, फॉल्स, फॉल्स. Now let's solve the next question, that is question number 44. In question number 44 we have to match the column. Here first P part is 9 minus 7 minus 24 divided by, we have to first solve the bracket, that is 8 plus 6 multiplied by 2 minus 16. So here we will going to solve 8 plus 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 minus 16. So the next step will be answer of column 1 P part is 8. the third one. So we can see in option B and C we have P correct answer. Now let's solve the next part. Next part is Q, that is -3 multiplied by -12 divided by -4 plus 3 multiplied by 6. So here we have to first divide. -12 divided by -4 is +3. So here -3 multiplied by 3 is left out, plus 3 multiplied by 6 is 80 now. -3 plus 3 is -9 plus 18, which give us 9. So Q का answer है 9, that is 2. Now let's solve the third part, that is 5 multiplied by 2. सबसे पहले bracket solve करेंगे, rest will be same. 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 7 plus 2 of 4 is 8 minus 19, bracket close. Now the next step will be, here it is 10, 3 minus 5. So the next is 10 minus 3 minus will plus 4. Nine. Next step will be 16. So value of R is 1. So here 3, 2, 1 is the correct answer. So 3, 2, 1 is option number C. The next one is 45. 45 question के अंदर आपको बोला है if 2y upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3, then the value of y is. हमें y की value find out करनी है. So here we have 2y minus, let's take the LCM quickly. We have the 15 upon 3 equal to 3. अब next step में क्या होगा? 3 will be transposed. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 2y equal to 9 plus 15. Here y is equal to 24 upon 2, that is 12. तो y की value आ गई 12. तो option हम P का हो गया 2. Now here the next is this minus 4 will be multiplied by 2, that is minus 8 minus 4y equal to 8. So minus 4y is equal to 8 plus 8 is 16. Y की value क्या आ गई? -4. So Q का आंसर आ गया 3. Next is third. 4 plus 3y plus 3 2 ja 6 equal to 16. So 3y is equal to 16 minus 10. 3y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2. तो ये थर्ड का हो गया आपका first. The sequence will be 2, 3, 1. So the correct answer is 2, 3, 1 and that is option A. Let's begin with the next question 46. 46 is आपके पास angles दे रखे हैं. You have to find out the third angle. The triangle ABC के अंदर आपके पास angle A है, angle B और angle C आपको find out करना है. तो use the angle sum property. 50 plus 30 is 80 और एंगल C निकालना है आपको. एंगल C निकालने के लिए 180 माइनस आपको करना होगा 80, तो आंसर आ जाएगा आपका 100. सो हियर ऑप्शन P का हो गया है आंसर 2. नाउ फॉर द Q, ABC आपको दिया है, BC एक्सटेंड कर दिया है D पे. एक्सटेंड होने से क्या हो जाएगा? 90 डिग्री बना देते हैं इसको. ये हो गया आपका ABC. BC एक्सटेंड करा है, ये लाइन आपकी एक्सटेंड हो रही है आगे तक. दिस इज 90 डिग्री. B AC आपके पास 40 डिग्री है और आपको निकालना है AC एंड दिस विल बी योर D। ये आपको एक्सटीरियर एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है। एक्सटीरियर एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी पता है, आप एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो। ये इंटीरियर थर्ड एंगल फाइंड आउट करके और फिर 180 में से माइनस करके। दूसरा मेथड है कि एक्सटीरियर एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी आप लगाएं, दैट इज अपोजिट एंगल का सम करना है एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल। तो 90 प्लस 40 विल बी 130। तो ये आपका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 1। सो यहाँ लिख देते हैं 90 प्लस 40 इज इक्वल टू एंगल X। क्लियर? नाउ द थर्ड इज A आपके पास दिया है X, B आपको दिया है 2, एंगल A इट मीन्स 2X और आपके पास एंगल C दिया है 3, एंगल A इट मीन्स 3X। तो आपके पास है X 2X प्लस 3X दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। तो ये आपके पास हो गया है 6X इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। X की वैल्यू आपके पास आ गई 30 डिग्री। सो एंगल X की वैल्यू है 30 डिग्री। तो सीक्वेंस क्या रहेगी आपकी 2 1 3। So 2 1 3 is option B. So here option B is the correct answer. Let's proceed to the next question, that is the 47th question and it is paragraph based question. Paragraph में आपके पास है a group of 20 people went to restaurant. 20 people जाते हैं रेस्टोरेंट में। 9 of them ordered a meal of rupees 42.20. Out of 20 people, 9 ordered the same meal and that is 42.20 cost. And 7 of them ordered the meal of 47.60. The rest of them ordered the meal of rupees 50 each. So this is the information that is given in the paragraph of 20 people. Now on the basis of this information we have to solve question 47. Now let's check what it is going to ask. How much money is spent by 9 people who ordered the same meal? आपको बताना है कि 9 people ने जो सेम मील ऑर्डर करा था उसकी कॉस्टिंग क्या है। नाउ हियर यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रुपीज 42.20। आपको उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस वी गेट द आंसर रुपीज 379.80. So here this is the total costing of 9 people who ordered the same meal. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question based on the same paragraph, that is question number 48. In this we have to find out the total money spent by 20 people. जो 20 people ने total amount spend किया था, we have to find that. So let's calculate all that. 9 multiplied by 42.20 plus 7 multiplied by 47.60 plus rest means 9 plus 7 16 and 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 people ordered same meal of rupees 50. So we have to add them all and the result will be 9 multiplied by 42.20 is 379.80 plus 333.2 plus 200. So here we get the total amount of rupees 913. So here we get option C, the correct answer. So 913 is the total amount spent by 20 peoples. Now let's solve the next question. The next question is based on the bar graph, and this is kind of a double bar graph in which two informations are compared. Study the graph given below and answer the question that follows. ये आपके पास एक ग्राफ है and you have to answer according to the information. Now here 49 question says that the total number of students failing in the entrance exam from all the cities together is, we have to find out the total number of students who are failing in the entrance exam. So let's calculate the information of failing student. In first we have 20, in city B we have 35, 30, 40, 20 plus 30. So the total will be 175 and this term is in 1000. So according to question, we can say that option A is the correct answer. That's all the next question. The next question is question number 50. So question 50 is the ratio of the number of students passing in the entrance exam for city B to those passing from the city E. So we have to find out the ratio, and the ratio is in between city B upon city E. So let's calculate. We have to find out the passing student. So in city B we have 25,000 students upon, in city E we have 35,000 students. So 3 zeros are cancelled and here we get 5:7 is the correct answer. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. So I hope you all understood all these questions of this part, and for the more updates you need to subscribe the channel. जो भी नोटिफिकेशंस हैं वो सारी आपको इसी चैनल पर आपको मिलेंगी, तो चाहे वो प्राइस हो, चाहे वो आपका रिजल्ट हो, किसी भी टाइप की नोटिफिकेशन है तो उसको अपडेट में रहने के लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना जरूरी है. So not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 8 October 2023. I hope you performed very well. So let's get started. Question number 51. Question number 51 is, which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in given series? So series is 1/2, 3/4, missing term and 5/4. First, find the pattern of the question. So find the value of 1/2, it means 0.50. Value of 3/4, it means 0.75. Value of 5/4, it means 1.25. So 1/2, it means 0.50. 3/4, it means 0.75, question mark, and 1.25. Okay, adding 0.25 in each term. So find the next term. Okay, 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25. 0.50 plus 0.25, it means 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.25, it means 1. So missing number is 1. So missing number is 1, it means option A is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is find the next term. Find the next term. So first write first alphabet of each term. First alphabet of each term is R, S, T, U, and missing alphabet. So R means, position of R in English alphabet is 18. R means 18, S means 19, T means 20, U means 21. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, next is 22. 22 means V. So first alphabet of missing term is V. Okay. Similar, write second alphabet of each term. Second alphabet of each term. Second alphabet is D, F, J, P and missing alphabet. So position of D is means 4, F means 6, J means 10, P means 16. So difference between D to F, it plus 2. Now next is plus 4, plus 6. Similarly, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6. Now plus 8. 16 plus 8, it means 24. 24 means X. 24 means X. So second alphabet of missing term is X. So missing term is VX. It means option D is the correct answer. So next question is, okay, question 53 and 54. If the mirror plays on the line AB, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figure. Okay, find the mirror image of this figure. So mirror image of this figure. Okay, mirror image of K. Mirror image of K is like this. Okay, mirror image of R. Mirror image of R look like this. So here correct option is option A. And now move on to the next question. So next question, find the mirror image of 7F. 7FORM4. So mirror image of 4. Mirror image of 4 is look like this. Mirror image of M. Mirror image of R. Mirror image of O. Mirror image of F look like this. Okay, mirror image of 7. Mirror image of 7 look like this. It means option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question, question number 55. Which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Okay. So equation is 81 plus 55 divided by 3 minus 18 into 9 is equals to 32. So first taking option A. So 81 and interchange 81 and 18. So 81 means 18 plus 45 divided by 3 minus 18 means 81 into 9 is equals to 32. So using board mass, 18 plus 45 divided by 3, it means 15 minus 81 into 9, 81 into 9, it means 729, okay, is equals to 32. So 18 plus 15, it means 33 minus 729 is equals to 32. Okay, it means minus 696 is equals to 32. So minus 696 not equals to 32. So option A is the incorrect answer. Now taking option B. So equation is 81 plus 45 divided by 3 minus 18 multiplied by 9 is equals to 32. Taking option B means interchange 45 and 18. So 81 plus 45, it means 18 divided by 3 minus 18 means 45 multiplied by 9 is equals to 32. Okay, 81 plus using board mass 18 divided by 3, it means 6 minus 45 into 9. 45 into 9, it means 405 is equals to 32. 81 plus 6, it means 87, minus 405 is equals to 32. 318 is equals to 32. So minus 318 never equals to 32. So option B is incorrect option. So now taking option C. So option C is 81 plus 45 divided by 3 minus 18 into 9 is equals to 32. Take interchange 3 and 9. Interchanged 3 and 9. 81 plus 45 divided by 3. 3 means 9 minus 18 into 9. 9 means 3 is equals to 32. 81 plus 45 divided by 9, it means 5 minus 18 into 3, 54 is equals to 32. 81 plus 5, it means 86 minus 54 is equals to 32. 86 minus 54, it means 32 is equals to 32. So 32 always equals to 32. So option C is the correct option. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is, in a row of 54 people, A is 15 place from the left side and B is 20 place from right side. Find the number of people between A and B. Okay, total people is equals to 54. Left position of A is 15 and right position of B is 20. So find the number of people between A and B. So number of mid people is equals to, so formula of number of mid people is equals to when total is greater than left position plus right position. Then formula of number of mid person is equal to total minus left position plus right position. Okay, so total is 54 minus left position of person number first 15 and right position of person number second 20. Okay, 54 minus 35. 54 minus 35, it means 19. So 19 people between A and B. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is, the sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut in shown in the following question figure. How would this paper look in the respective option when unfolded? Unfold the figure in same sequence in which it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first we will unfold Z. Okay. When we unfold Z, it's represent Y. When we unfold Y, it's represent X. And find the image of X because X is represent unfold paper. Okay, so first find mirror image of Z. Find mirror image of Z. Okay, so mirror image of Z look like this. It's represent Y. Okay, so find the mirror image of Y. Okay, it's represent X. X means unfold paper. So right answer is option B. So because option B is represent unfold paper. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. Okay, question number 58. Okay, now find the image of X. So first find the mirror image of Z. So mirror image of Z it's represent Y. Okay, so find the mirror image of Y. It's represent image of X. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. When I was going to the office from my house early in the morning, my shadow formed on my left hand side. In which direction is my house from the office? Okay, the sun is in the east direction in the morning time. East direction is in the morning time, and shadow is formed towards west direction. West direction. Okay, my shadow formed on my left hand side. My shadow is formed my left hand side. So I was going in north direction. So I was going in north direction. Okay, so position of my office is in north direction, and position of my house was in south direction. Okay, in which direction is my house from the office? Find the direction of my house respect my office. So my house is in north direction to my office. So south direction from my office. So right answer is south. So my office was in south direction from my office. So right answer is option C. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So next question is, Neha departs from her home and walks 51 meters toward the south and then turns left and walks 44 meters. Now she turns left again and walks 83 meters. How far is she from a pole that is exactly 52 meters north from her home now, assuming that all turns are 90 degrees only? Okay. Neha's home. Neha departs 51 meters towards south direction and then turns left and walk 44 meters. Okay, again she turns left and walk 83 meters Okay, that is end point of Neha. Okay, how far is she from a pole that is exactly 32 meters north from her home now? Okay, so distance of pole to home is 32 meters towards north direction. Okay, so total is 32 plus 51. It means 83 meters. Okay, both are equal lines. So pole and end point of Neha will be in same line. So find the distance between pole and end point is 44 meters. 44 meters. That means option B is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you everyone.